The Happy Cobbler. Once, there was an old shoemaker named Ben. He loved making shoes, but as he got older, fewer people came to the shop. Feeling sad and lonely, Ben sat in his shop day after day. One sunny day, a boy named Sam came to Ben's shop with a hole in his shoe. Ben felt happy to have a customer again. As Ben fixed Sam's shoe, he felt joy and purpose return. He realized his work still mattered. When Sam's shoe was fixed, he left with a smile. Ben felt proud. After that, Ben's shop became busy again. People came from far away for his shoe repairs. Ben learned that his work brought joy to others no matter his age. He kept making shoes happily ever after.